From NBC News, this is Today.
This morning on Today Food, a couple on a mission to get the sweetest and most flavorful peaches into people's hands all over the country. It's an idea that came to fruition through the help of social media and word of mouth. A Peachman idea turned this old Ford F1 into a business machine.
Good peach, when you bite in, the flesh of that peach is going to be juicy. You're going to taste that sweet and tart combination that makes a peach exceptional.
Jessica and Stephen Rose struggled to find a good peach in Nashville. So the couple imagined a way to get freshly picked Georgia peaches across state lines and into the hands of people who wanted them.
Peach Truck started as just a hobby. It was literally Stephen and I, nights and weekends, just selling peaches from his hometown orchard and thinking we've got a really great product and we think our neighborhood will like it.
Quickly, the 30 boxes we sold turned into 60, turned into 120. Everybody's coming back and bringing their friends each week.
Social media and good old-fashioned word of mouth brought crowds to local farmers markets and roadside stands. The Roses had planted a seed and watched it grow.
We started a tour of 240 stops over a 6.5-week period across Tennessee, Kentucky, Ohio, Indiana, Pennsylvania, and Michigan.
Expecting to sell millions, yes, millions of peaches in July and August. People lining up to take their own bite out of summer.
It's a taste that they haven't had in years and years. It brings back old memories.
The duo breathing new life into Georgia's most beloved symbol and this family farm.
And we don't really know anything but peaches. It's just what we do. It's kind of who we are.
First cousins Lawton Pearson and Will McGee are fifth-generation peach farmers and childhood friends of Stephen.
We shipped a few boxes one year, and then the next year we shipped a few pallets, and then all of a sudden it kind of caught, and it's really become a phenomenon.
It's been neat to be a part of this fifth-generation peach farm, to be a big part of the revitalization of the Georgia peach industry.
Sweet success, born out of a simple pleasure. I love a peach. The Georgia Peach Council tells us that the Peach Truck is revitalizing family farms like Pearson's, whose owners that we just heard from there, Stephen and Jessica, say that this year's tour is the biggest yet. At some stops, crowds upwards of 1,000 waiting in line to buy their very own peaches, right? Here with some juicy recipes for your summer, Jocelyn Delk Adams, cookbook author, creator of GrandbabyCakes.com. Always good to have you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Always good to have you.
So we've got some great stuff for peaches.
We're going to make 2 dishes, right?
2 dishes.
I'm saying shortcake here.
Yes, yes. We're doing a brown sugar shortcake with peaches as the star. And we start with the brown sugar, which is going to be the star in the peaches, but we're going to get started on the biscuit. So you make this in a food processor.
Why the food processor?
It's so much easier.
Okay.
Like, you just want to make things easy in the summer. So I've got my dry ingredients in here. You can just quickly pulse to kind of combine everything. And then I want to add in my butter. The key to biscuits, you got to make sure the butter is cold, okay?
Cold butter.
Cold butter, cold fat, whatever you're using, you want to make sure that it's cold.
And you didn't go skipping on the butter there, I noticed. This is not a low-fat biscuit recipe.
No, do not talk to me about making anything healthy. You want to pulse that, and then you're going to add in your wet ingredients, sour cream. It makes the biscuits so rich and delicious. And then this is where we've got our biscuit dough.
How thick is that?
This is about 1 inch thick.
Okay.
Yeah, so it comes out really, really thick, really high. You want those really high biscuits. And then I'm just gonna cut them out. And then you just, oh my gosh, I love that, right? It's so easy. And then you just place it right on your parchment lined baking sheet. And then I'm gonna use a little egg wash, because I love to add that nice golden color on top and a little raw sugar.
Okay, and then we're going to throw that in the oven for how long?
Throw it in the oven at 400 for about 15 minutes.
See how easy you made it look?
I know, and you're struggling. Come on, oh, there it is, there it is. Pop it. All right, yep, then it goes in the oven. They come out like, oh my gosh, you guys enjoying these?
No, we can't handle you.
My big mama taught me to make biscuits, so she's smiling right now, okay? So then we've got biscuits, and then you just kind of pull these together. You've got some peaches right here. We put a little orange juice in here and some brown sugar. Mix that all together.
I want to make sure we get to the second recipe as well.
I know. You put some whipped cream, and then here are your beauties. They come out really perfectly.
Now, what do we have here in the skillet dish?
Okay, so here is our skillet cake, and we've got caramel, and this is a dump cake, so it's super, super easy to make. I put some peaches right in the center. And then I'm gonna layer this with some caramel sauce. Wow. You can buy this from the grocery store.
Layer it.
Oh yeah, going in. Some peach nectar.
Peach nectar.
Yeah.
Peach nectar. Easy to find peach nectar.
You can use like apple juice if you can't find it. It's totally
what about
fine.
The crust?
Oh my gosh, some cinnamon and some nutmeg.
Oh, they care about the
and
crust.
some vanilla. And some cake mix.
Cake mix.
Cake mix. Easy.
Cake mix
Dump
in a box.
More butter.
More butter. This is summer. I know this is not a beach body recipe, but it's delicious.
More butter, more
Pop
better.
this in the oven, and then you take it out, and it's gorgeous.
It is
I
gorgeous.
can't believe
Jocelyn,
that. You can throw it on
this is nice. Thank you very much.
It's good.
Jocelyn, thank you.
Thank
Continue
you.
to enjoy
so
them.
much.
For all of
Yummy.
these recipes, just head to today.com/food. We're back in a moment. But first,
It's really
this
easy.
is Today on NBC. I'm going to try this.
What does that do?